Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. Today we are going to be unboxing the Dell Pro 11 to 14 inch Plus EcoLoop Sleeve. This is the CV5426. This is a sleeve, so in addition to our bags being the backpacks, the briefcases, we also have sleeves. Let's jump into the unboxing. So this is going to be compatible with an 11 to 14 inch device. So you do have a lot of kind of options for these types of devices. I love how the box is fully sustainable. Can go right into the bin. Let's get the box out of the way. And let's take a look at the sleeve. Over the years, I've taken a look at a lot of these, so I'm super pumped to take a look. Ooh. So EcoLoop, you do have some buckles over here, which is awesome. For the strap, handle, luggage strap, so if I'm using a roller bag, I can pop the handle in here. Flip it around on the front. You do have quite a bit of space for your accessories, maybe your earbuds, your headset, maybe you had an active pen or a physical pen, maybe you had to put an adapter. And then looking at this, a lot of space. What's pretty cool is this bag is made with recycled materials equivalent to the weight of 19 plastic water bottles. A lot of space to do what you need to do. Now the padding in here is 360-degree impact XPE foam, and the materials here is made with durable water resistant 400D twill material, and it's waterproof coated zippers, so no water will sneak in through here. So let's throw in a 14-inch notebook. I've got my 14-inch. Oh, look at that. A lot of space. I can throw this in the bag, carry it by the handles, or attach the strap right here and put it on my shoulder. And showing you the front zipper pocket. I also have room for a trusty old mouse, my earbuds, pretty sweet. So once again, this is the Dell Pro 11 to 14 Plus EcoLoop Sleeve. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing and overview. Thanks so much.